Rome Assumable Mortgage Review 2025. Is it a smart home financing option? You won't believe how home financing is changing in 2025. Rome Assumable Mortgages let buyers take over an existing mortgage with its current interest rate, potentially saving thousands. But is it the right choice for you? The surprising truth is cost savings. Most people get this wrong by assuming all mortgages require starting fresh with today's rates. With an assumable mortgage, you can inherit the seller's rate, which may be lower than current market rates, reducing monthly payments and long-term interest. Another advantage is simplicity. You won't believe what happens next when you see how Rome streamlines the process. Instead of a traditional mortgage application from scratch, the assumable mortgage uses the existing loan terms, simplifying approvals and shortening closing timelines. However, there are cons. Not every mortgage is assumable, and eligibility depends on the lender's approval and bar creditworthiness. Down payment requirements may still apply, and fees for processing the assumption can vary. Additionally, if the current mortgage has a higher balance than the home's value, it may not make financial sense. In conclusion, Rome Assumable Mortgages in 2025 can be an attractive option for buyers looking to save money and simplify financing. While it's not suitable for every situation, understanding the terms and eligibility criteria can make it a smart alternative to traditional mortgages, especially when interest rates are high.